Alrighty guys, so today we got a real simple one for you. We're going to show you how you insulate your RV vents. Alrighty guys, so this was one of those purchases that I didn't actually expect to do. I mean, it was down the line, but it's one of those deals where you walk into your big box store, you're looking for something else, you can't find it, you just go over to the RV section because you're addicted to RV stuff because you live in an RV. Kind of like a motorcycle or anything else type of hobby, if you will. Kind of like going to Home Depot, if you will. I frequent that also. But anyway, what we have here is an RV vent insulator made by Camco, and these are real simple. It's basically insulation for your standard 14-inch vents that every RV that I know of actually has. It's this foam insulation with a cover, with a nice little fuzzy cover on the outside that's actually washable. So this will actually keep the heat in and the air in during the summer and the winter months. So it helps out. It says it right here. Helps RV keep warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. So we're going to try it, guys, and we're going to see what actually happens. So let's go over to the vent and I'll show you what needs to be done to prep this guy to go in. Alrighty guys, we got one of these. I got two of these vents. One right next to the sleeping area and one in the bathroom. So I bought two of these. They weren't very expensive in my big box store. I think it cost me a little over 10 bucks for one of these. What we're going to do first is, if you look, obviously take it out of the package, but I'm going to take you over to the vent and show you what we need to do to prep it. Alright guys, so I have a little dark curtain over mine to keep the light out. So basically you'll just take that down if you have one of those. If you don't, then you'll have yours free then. And the only thing that would be an issue is your actual handle here. So what you want to do, now you can leave your handle in here and shove this in here and it'll put a dimple in the actual pillow. I don't want to do that. I actually want to keep it flush in here. So with this, make sure that it's all the way tightened down, and then you're just going to go ahead and you're going to take that screw out of there. And we're going to, first of all, like I said, make sure that your item is tight, and then just take it out. It's not a very deep screw. Just take that out. And then I try to go ahead, and once you've done that, you're going to take your RV vent insulator out of your package here, and you're simply going to take it and just kind of shove it up in there. And there we go. And that should now help insulate the cold air from coming in of the RV from any places. So I'm just trying to seal up all possible entrances of cold air, guys. And that's it, guys. That is your RV vent insulation. Nothing to it. I hope that this helped you guys out. And I will give you an update in my vlogs about how well this actually works. I'm also even thinking about doing a video compilation of all the stuff I've done and how it actually worked for me. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. That's how you do it. So appreciate y'all guys coming in for this quick one. And we'll catch you guys next time on Campering with Camo.
it's your boy,